Hello guys, Amit this side. In this video, I'll show you how to create Meta or Facebook Ads Manager account, which is very much essential if you are planning to run paid marketing ad campaign on Instagram or Facebook platform. So to create the Facebook Ads Manager account, just open Google on any browser and type Facebook or Meta Ads Manager account. Once you search this term, you will see Meta Ads Manager. Now click on this link. So by default, you will see this landing page. Now click Go to Ads Manager account. After clicking on Go to Ads Manager page, you will see by default this dashboard. This is the Facebook Ads Manager account. From here, you can create your ad campaign on Facebook and Instagram. So here on the left hand side, you can see campaigns, ad reporting, audience, billing payment, advertise setting, events management, and in all tools, you can see bunch of other tools as well. Okay, so one by one, I will create videos for all these functionality so that you can find relevant information within this single playlist. So as of now, go to Facebook Ads Manager and check if you are getting this preview window or not. If you are facing an issue where you're not able to log into the Facebook Ads Manager, post your comment and I'll look into it. And if you want to contact me, you can find my contact details in the video description page. In the next video, we will move to the business setting where I'll show you how to link your Facebook page to your Ads Manager account. Bye, see you soon.